Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make slides advanced automatically in PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint. Now here, click on slideshow. Now here select first slide, then click on transitions. Now here uncheck on mouse click and here make your desired time. Click on apply to all. Also you can change individual time for different slides. Then here click on slideshow. Click on from beginning. So this way you can change slides automatically in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.